this? Oh, that's a better sized fish.
Yeah, it is.
He's just right here. Oh, there he is. Okay, that's good. That's good. Stop, stop.
Oh, yeah.
Heck yeah, dude.
Heck yeah, buddy. That's a sweet one.
Okay, hold that.
Nice rainbow.
Still as you can, so we don't have to hear the jingle jangle. Let me go. Oh, I don't even have my pliers.
Is that tiny?
Oh, big old rainbow.
No, rainbow, you're right.
Yep. Hold that up there, Dukester.
Okay. No, just leave your gloves on. Your hands will get freezing.
Yeah, better to get your gloves slimy than your hands.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Beautiful.
Okay, throw him back. Nice, Duke.
We even got a release.
High five, Duke.
Good job, bud.
Give me a high five. Nice. Okay.
All right. Well, now we got a video.
Got a fish.
Right? Well, welcome to Panguitch. How thick are we? Foot?
About
8 inches. We're 8 inches thick. Good solid hard ice. Bunch of people out here. But the Duke just caught the first one. We got Parker, Duke, and hey Jack, put your head out here. Hang out with us for a few minutes.
Yeah, hold it down.
We're going to catch some more fish. Another nice bow.
I gotta go get the tool. Give me a second.
Nice one. That's the nice thing about Panguitch is it produces big fish.
Okay, hold your pole really tight. Okay, really tight. Really tight.
That's good. Let's see. Hang on. Oh crap, come on. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Oh, hey. Ooh, it's cold with that wind.
Yeah, we're gonna take down the other two of that.
Yeah.
Cold front's come through now.
Yep.
Let's take that down.
A little late on the camera, but Parker got him one.
Got one. On the dead stick. Yeah.
Nice rainbow.
Nice little rainbow. Lots of rainbows. Usually I'm catching cuts and tigers out of here. Yeah.
Yeah,
Probably 16 incher. Little chub. Chunk.
they are chunky.
Thanks for playing, pal.
Swim away!
Where did he go? He disappeared. He went to my left. Oh, I see him.
No, we're not going back outside. We're just going to stay inside for a minute, okay? You're just going to sit right here and watch down the hole, watch the fish, watch the pole for a second, okay?
Duke's on another one. The jaw jackers are working. Hold it tight. Hold the pole tight.
I'm going to pull on it, okay? You just wait for me to pull on it.
Oh, and just like that.
Break off the hook. You did? Are you sure?
Yeah.
No, it's right there by the weight. There, hold that one up. Yeah.
Here, Duke.
Oh!
Yeah, don't put him in your hole. He's gonna wiggle. There you go. Oh. He's a climber.
He's a slimy one. Wrestle him.
Wrestle.
Here, right here, right here.
Oh, we want to put him in his.
Oh.
Hey, Jack, you're on
Oh, did we lose him?
Right at the hole.
Right at the hole?
We saw him. He was right there.
Nice one, Duke.
Hold this. Hold tight.
Duke got another. Jack had one to the hole.
There he is.
Good deal.
Okay. No, we gotta get him back down. So either take him now or let me do it. Okay, Jack, you're over there.
Woohoo! Oh yeah! Oh! He was dancing. He was bouncing. It's all good, man. Woohoo!
Hey. Fish on, buddy. Hey.
Nice job, dude.
No, that's gonna get the next one, and then you'll get. You gotta catch one, and then it'll be your turn, okay?
It's gonna be so hard trying to get to the freaking dodge after
He will.
this ice.
It's just a matter of.
Yep. Just remember, shuffle. Don't run. You just shuffle. No, there you go.
Yeah, dude, please don't fall again.
You just gotta remember, on this kind of ice, you can't run, you can't walk. You gotta just shuffle.
We'll get the next one, Jack. Just remember, when you get there, set that hook. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Welcome back to day 2 of our adventure. We're on OC today. Jack just missed one, had it hooked up, it got away. Just like a fish does, isn't it? Thanks for joining us. Hang out with us. We're going to put some more fish on the deck.
Yes, we are.
Hopefully.
Just a matter of time.
Right? Got Parker, got Jack, Duke. All right. So, anyways, yeah, we're on about 3.5 inches. Maybe. It's a little sketchy, but it's good, solid, hard ice. I mean, you can see it's ice skating ice, so yeah. Hang out with us. That's how you get there. Set that hook.
You got it.
Woohoo!
Nice.
Yeah, all right. Hey, fish is a fish, man. Good job, dude.
Thanks, Jack. It was Jack.
Yeah, all Jack.
And bigger from here.
That's right.
Pretty fins on it. Nice full.
Yeah, just drop that pole. He's swimming. There you go, Fred.
Got him? All right, let him go. Swim away.
Yeah, bud.
Good job, dude.
Okay, Dookie, you're on the next one, my dude.
All right. Well, tell us about the situation here.
Well, we're now onto the ice, 16 feet deep. Ice kept cracking under us. Big ice quake out there.
Big ice quake, huh?
Huge ice quake, shook our chairs.
Yep.
At least we caught one fish.
Yep.
Got off dry safely.
There, that's what did it do when we started walking in?
Started like sinking a little bit and cracking.
What do you think, Duke?
Really scary and sketchy.
It was really scary.
Yeah? Did we make it off safe though? Yeah, because Dad was watching out for us, huh? Good deal, huh? All right. Yeah, Otter Creek is sketchy as heck. We're out of here. We caught one. We're good. Thanks for hanging out with us.